By a similar analogy, the first sound is relatively soft, with a prolonged PR interval and with a bradycardia, as the atrioventricular valves have had time to float into apposition before the onset of ventricular systole. Complete heart block, ventricular tachycardia, and atrial fibrillation thus have a varying first heart sound, since ventricular systole will occur with the valves ranging from wide open to nearly closed. Listen now to the varying intensity of the first heart sound in a 53-year-old man with atrial fibrillation due to thyrotoxicosis. Actual deformity of an atrioventricular valve may also affect the intensity of the first heart sound, irrespective of the position of the cusps. For example, the mitral component is usually soft in mitral incompetence, probably due to the shortening of the valve cusps and chordae tendinii, both of which prevent normal apposition during ventricular systole. The next recording, taken at the apex in a 17-year-old girl with mitral incompetence, shows a virtually inaudible first heart sound. Concentrate on the period immediately preceding the onset of the loud systolic murmur. The second heart sound also has two components, both of which should be audible in most normal subjects. The first component is caused by aortic valve closure, and the second by pulmonary valve closure. These are frequently referred to as A2 and P2 respectively, and this abbreviation will be used in future on this record. It must be clearly understood that P2 does not refer to the second sound in the pulmonary area, but to the pulmonary component of the second heart sound, irrespective of the site at which it is heard.